A farmer and his sons. A farmer and his sons. Once, a farmer had 3 sons. They always quarreled with one another. The farmer was very sad. He was getting old. One day he decided to teach them a lesson. He called his sons and asked them to break the bundle of sticks lying in the corner of his room. They all tried their best but could not do so. Then the farmer ordered one of his sons to untie the bundle. Now he again asked them to break the sticks one by one. This time, they broke the sticks easily. At that moment, the old man said that if you remain united like this bundle of sticks, no one will be able to break you, but if you fight and remain separately, you will be broken easily. Moral lesson: union is strength.